What's good? What's shaking? What's popping? You know the drill already. So I'm back today with a topic that's been on my mind for a while. I've just not felt like I could articulate it in the best way possible. But that doesn't mean that down the line, when I have even more understanding around the topic, we can't revisit it and do a refresher. Because, hey, you grow and evolve, and the way you think about certain things is shaped by that change too. So I'm totally okay with that. The topic for today is boundaries, the B word. It's often spoken about in this cultural climate, but not in the healthiest way sometimes, in my opinion. And I'm referring to those memes and statements that focus heavily on cutting things and people off. Now, I'm not necessarily questioning the intention behind it, because I can see there is a quest for peace and the betterment of oneself beneath all of that, but more so the how, which is usually linked to cancel culture and sometimes is an unhealthy way of achieving the end goal, which may not be bad, in and of itself. Now, let's look at the what. Boundaries in the generic sense are defined as a line which marks the limits of an area, so a dividing line. Now, when it comes to personal boundaries, so for example, in a more abstract sense, these are defined as guidelines, rules, or limits that a person creates to identify reasonable, safe, and permissible ways for other people to behave towards them and how they will respond when someone passes those limits. Okay, I'm going to pause for y'all to take that in. Okay. Now, here's a couple of things that immediately stand out to me, from reading that definition. So the first one is that boundaries are personal to each person. Time and self-awareness are required to create and develop boundaries that work for you. The second thing is that value has to be placed on a thing for boundaries to be created. Because to me, you would only take the time out to protect what is valuable. The third thing is, if a boundary has been crossed, it is often, but not always because permission has been given. So I'll say that again without wondering how to pronounce often. If a boundary has been crossed, it is often, but not always because permission has been given. The fourth and final thing is that implementation is key. And so is our response when those boundaries are crossed. So implementation of said boundary is key, and so is our response when those boundaries are crossed. Now, I'm going to dive into each one of these a little deeper. The first point I made was about boundaries being personal to each person and the role that time and self-awareness plays in creating and developing boundaries. And the reason I mention this is because no two people are the same. Even within the same household, we could have gone through the same circumstances, but internalize it in different ways because of the differences in our nature and the way we're wired. So I experience something in a way that's different from the person sitting beside me. Why this affects us when it comes to boundaries is that sometimes we can make the mistake of photocopying other people's boundaries without an awareness of what we really need based on who we actually are. And this photocopying habit happens across different aspects of life, not just boundaries, especially when we take something that should be descriptive.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I don't think I've said welcome back since I started vlogging. I don't even think I've talked in this video so far. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm Jane. I'm going to get the COVID vaccine today. I haven't gotten COVID vaccine for some time now. Sorry, my camera is shaking. For some time now, and I honestly don't know why. I think I tried once and then I was told that they were closed on certain days. I mean they had a time schedule or something, so I haven't tried again because I've been busy. I just want to do it and get it off the way, okay? Because I'll be traveling in a couple months, and in a few months time, in about 2 months, so I don't want that is part of the requirement where I'm going to. I don't want when I'm traveling I would have an issue, and you have to be fully vaccinated to be able to enter there. Yeah, so I want to get the first one now so that I can have the second one done later on, okay? But one thing, I haven't really watched videos like people who vlog about the vaccine. I think the only person I watched was Jada Matthew. I don't think I've watched any other person. I probably see it in their titles, and maybe it's just a clip they put. I haven't really seen any detailed video. I haven't watched any detailed video talking about it. I'm going to quickly browse about it to know if there are any things you should do before taking it. So I googled what to do before taking the COVID vaccine, and I'm saying talk to your primary care provider if you have a chronic health condition. I don't think I have a health condition that affects me taking the vaccine. No, I don't. Learn about the vaccine. Honestly, I haven't. Get plenty of sleep, eat well, and hydrate. I take a lot of water, even when I've taken like 1 liter. And yeah, I get a lot of sleep, eat well. Basically, there's something else, but it's loading. Oh Jesus, why that is still loading? Let me just show you guys what came into the mail. First of all, my favorite brand. If you already know, you know. If you are OG on this channel, you know that I've mentioned this brand like several times. This is a natural hair care brand, Zico Naturals, my girl. This is the Zico Natural Leave-In Conditioner. The lights don't lessen, you know, you guys see properly. I love this brand, and oh my god, she rebranded. This is not how it was before. She actually did rebrand. The bottle, wow, this thing smells so good, eh? The smell, girl, what did you do? I feel like she upgraded this product. No, this wasn't like the last one I had. There's some upgrade has definitely been done. Oh my goodness, you guys, if you want anything for your natural hair, kinks, curly hair, you can even use this thing for your wig, you guys. Oh my god, go and get yours. This is the leave-in conditioner. I still have the deep conditioner and all that, so I just got this one. My goodness, she has upgraded so much. You guys, let me tell you something about her infused oil. This is the Zico Natural infused oil blend, you guys. It's like, you know, a combination of vitamin E, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. It's just like an essential, a bunch of essential oils in it, you guys. I use this on my natural hair. When I mean on my scalp, I don't mean my hair. I usually line my hair and then put it like in the scalp. You guys, this thing has made my hair grow. I know that I have good hair on a normal day, but this particular thing has taken my hair to a whole new level. Can you see there's like some stuff? I'm managing it. Like, I'm so stingy with it, yet it's very effective. So okay, it has finally opened. Yeah, they say plan to take it easy the next day. Okay, basically plan to take it easy. So I know that some people have side effects from this vaccine. Yesterday I had to meal prep for my business in a way that if anybody orders anything, I can quickly just chef it up instead of like doing the hard job, you know, after the vaccine. I just didn't want that. Second thing that came in the mail, let me show you guys, is this hair. You guys, can you see? Hey god, I've been wanting a center part bob wig for some time now, but I was just like I just knew it wasn't the right time to buy a wig, so I got this from Babe. So I just randomly sent him the picture on Instagram. I was like, I want this hair, and then he was like, okay, I'll give you the money. How much is it? So yeah, he bought it for me, basically, and I really, really appreciate it. This hair is so lush. Like, you guys, look at, it's so lush. Like, all I need to do is just bob it properly, and that's it. It's the lace for me. Guys, can you see this lace? Wait, let me show you the inside. Can you see this lace or the details? Like, whoo! I love this hair, and it was so affordable. I'm going to style this hair in another video, but for now, let's leave that. Okay, I bought the Zico Natural so I could do like a wash day routine. I'm doing a detailed video for that, but a lot of things came up yesterday. I couldn't film it again, and now today I already made up my mind I was going to get the vaccine today, so nothing was going to stop me from getting that vaccine, if they feel like it or not. So yeah, that was it. I think I've been talking for like literally 10 minutes now. I need to moisturize my lips before I go out, because we can't be looking ashy in 2021. Okay, I haven't told you guys yet, but I'm moving. I'm moving in a couple days. I'm moving here, so you guys, to this apartment. I'm going to explain everything about that apartment, what happened, why I'm moving in that vlog. I'm going to let you guys know why. There's just so much, you guys. It has a lot to do with my consistency. I'm going to miss a lot about the apartment as well, but I think it's the best option right now to do so. I'm going to fill you guys in on why I'm moving and all that. Of course, yeah, I've told the unit owner. I'm super glad that she understands and wants my comfort as well. That apartment was very beautiful, but headache. Okay, headache. Just take it from me, that headache. The apartment has collected so much money from me. You guys, I'll just explain everything in that video for you guys. What is going on under this cap? You guys don't want to know. I'm just like, period. You guys just see how this glasses elevated my look. Like, I be your mates. I be your mates. Okay, that's enough of me ranting. Let's go.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
Today is another fail again, because we went and they said they don't give adult doses today. They don't give adult dose today, I mean. So we have to try again tomorrow, but I'm not even sure of that tomorrow. Probably we'll try Thursday, because I'm exhausted. I can't come out twice. Anyways, yeah, I'm heading back home now. I'm just gonna run my business and make money, okay? Yeah, that's how the day went. I mean, sad that I have to come out again, but we move. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone on for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.